Flowers are meant to be admired, especially when they're free from red ants. You step out, hoping to spend a peaceful moment in your flower bed, but instead, you're distracted by ants crawling everywhere. You water your plants, you clean the area, yet red ants keep coming back. So how to get rid of red ants from a flower bed, in a way that actually works? Because in a flower bed, it's not just about removing ants, it's about protecting your soil, your roots, and your flowers. And here's the truth, red ants are not the problem, they're a signal that something is attracting them. Most people use random sprays. But in a flower bed, that can do more harm than good. Because harsh chemicals don't just remove ants, they can damage the soil and the beneficial life your plants depend on. Create a protective ring using diatomaceous earth. It looks like powder, but for ants, it's a barrier they cannot cross. Here's something most people don't try: banana peel with a pinch of borax. It attracts ants naturally and helps eliminate the colony from inside. Boil citrus peels and pour the cooled water lightly into the soil. It's gentle on plants, but highly disturbing for ants. Sprinkle a little cornmeal near ant activity. It's safe for your soil, but ants can't digest it properly. Add plants like mint, marigold, or basil. They don't just beautify your flower bed, they naturally repel ants and aphids. These methods work with your garden, not against it. But if you skip this part, ants will return. Because they're not random, they're coming for something. If you notice more ants in the morning or evening, that's when they're most active, and the best time to observe where they're coming from. Most of the time, it's aphids, tiny insects that release a sweet liquid, attracting ants again and again. You can remove ants again and again, but unless you fix what's attracting them, this cycle won't stop. Instead of spraying randomly, follow the ant trail for a few seconds. You'll often find the exact entry point or nest. Spray neem oil or mild soap water under leaves. Remove the aphids, and ants lose their reason to stay. If you don't have neem oil, I've shared a plant-safe option in the description that's easy to use. Now find the nest, look for small holes or raised soil. One common mistake: people spray directly on flowers. This may remove ants temporarily, but it doesn't solve the problem and can even damage your plants. Treat the source, not just the surface. Pour hot water carefully away from roots, or use mild natural solutions to disturb the colony. If ants are everywhere right now, break their trail. A simple soap water spray removes their scent path instantly. Check your plants regularly, especially under leaves. Avoid overwatering, and keep your soil clean. Because healthy plants attract fewer problems. Remember, red ants are not the problem, they're a signal. Fix the cause, and your flower bed stays naturally protected. And once you do this right, your flower bed won't just be ant-free, it will stay that way. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and effective home and garden solutions.